Hey guys, Rob here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we have a gear review. And what I have here is this little portable small travel charger by Ruko. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, so I just want to say that Ruko was kind enough. They reached out. They sent me a drone to review. I've done a video on that on my main channel. You guys can go check that out, Rob Outdoors. And the drone has been fantastic. I love using that thing. Well, I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts on it, my honest opinion as always, guys. And pull it out of the box. Comes in the sleeve here, and there's also a nice travel case that it comes in with a handle on it. It's like a hard case right here. So you open that up, and then it's gonna expose all your contents in here. Charger itself. And then you have some adapters here that go with it. So there's two adapters that can plug into this charger, which is what makes it unique, is that you can actually, you know, if you're doing any traveling, this thing is good because different wall outlets. So you do have two different adapters there. And then it does come with a really long USB-C charge cable. And this is a really fast charger. This is a 65 watt charger. And the cable is also rated for that as well. So whatever device you plug up, it's gonna charge it lightning fast. It's just like a little charge brick here, and it has this sleeve on here, this plastic sleeve. Let's go ahead and take that off. The sleeve is off now, and now you have the actual block. It feels solid, feels well built. It's got a USB-A charger on there, as well as two USB-C chargers. It only comes with just the one cable though. I'm going straight for the cons right now because I wanted to love this, and I can't because there's some issues with it. So right off the bat, this is my second charger. So they sent me another one. This is the very first one that they sent me. There were issues with it where when I'd plug it into the wall, it would arc. And I'm gonna put some B-roll footage so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So because this thing is an adapter here, it's meant to accept these pieces. There's a little bit of play in the system over here. So when you plug in this thing in, it's arcing, and if you're moving it, it's arcing. I mean, we're talking decent sized sparks, and I think that that's a hazard. I will mention that the new one that they sent me, I haven't had any of those issues, but just because of the fact that I had issues with the first one, I don't know if personally I can trust it, especially if you were to like leave it plugged in somewhere overnight. Another con is the size of this thing. So it's fairly long. I'm gonna say it's about 2.5 inches. And because it's long like that and it's kind of heavy, if I had to guess, I'm gonna say this is probably about 6 ounces. When you plug it into the wall, it doesn't really want to stay in. It kind of wants to slouch down. So you're constantly having to readjust it, which is how I even noticed it was arcing in the first place. Because when I plugged it in the wall, no matter which way I did it, upside down or whatever, it wanted to hang out. And so I'd push it in and then it would arc. Now, if you had like a power strip where this thing's gonna get plugged in straight down, that'll work fine. But yeah, I think that the arcing situation was a big hazard, and you know, I don't know if every other device is gonna have that kind of issue, or I just happen to have the dud. Either way, I'm reviewing this. I'm giving you guys my honest opinion on it and my thoughts. And I do use all these products that I get sent, and I'm not gonna recommend anything that's bad. That's gonna be my review for the Ruko wall charger, fast charger. And if you guys found the video helpful, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. As always, guys, until next time, I'll see you on the trail. Peace.